afternoon. This is Marcia coming to you from sunny Florida, and I wanted to give you a little project idea of how to use up your mini file folder pieces when you make your junk journals out of file folders. So this is what I made, and here is the supplies list of what you'll need to do the same thing with your leftover pieces. So just to get distressing ink, your little sponges, pieces of leftover cardstock, journal paper, any decorative punches, glue, and vintage book pages. And so here's all the supplies that I have, and here's your vintage book pages. This is the journaling paper that I used. Here's some of the scrap pieces that I used. And here's the leftover tops to the file folder journals that I made. And they were so cute, and I looked at that and I said, you know, that can be a mini journal. So that is exactly what I did. So I just used the supplies that I just told you, and I inked all the edges of the file folder, the book page, and then the journaling page. I took a decorative sentiment stamp and stamped it on the corner of each page that says Dream. And then I took some of my leftover cardstock and I cut it out and then made it just as a little tab so that you know, okay, you can open this up. And I inked the back of it just a little bit so it wasn't that stark white. And then one of the sides I made a little pocket with some more leftover cardstock. Took one of my Tim Holtz journaling cards, another piece of the leftover butterfly, and then I did the same thing here, put a little tab here, another butterfly wing. And so to finish this off, I'm going to put another pocket here on the back using some more of the same copper metallic leaf paper. And so I'm thinking, I'm not sure, yeah, it's a little bit short, so I may have to, sorry about that, was out of the frame, have to use another piece. I was trying to like incorporate, because I stamped on there already, but that's okay. And then what I thought would be a cute idea would be to put like a tea bag inside or something like that. And isn't this a cute idea? You can send it to your pen pal, put it in your journal pocket, your travel journals. So you have 8 spots to do journaling. Lots of fun ideas. So just use up your leftovers. I thought this was such a cute idea to use up those leftover file folders pieces. So that's what I'm going to do with the rest of these. These are just vintage dictionary pages, but I thought that turned out very cute. So if you liked this idea, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and hit the little bell. And if you would like me to show you how I use up some of my other supplies when I make my journals and things like that, my leftovers, just leave a comment for me below and I will show you what else I do with other supplies, other book page ideas, and other embellishment ideas. And you'll find me in my Etsy shop, Markets of Sunshine. I'll put the link in the comments below, and you'll be able to take a look to see what other things I have in my shop. I also do cash envelope system, and I do wallets, snap wallets. I do mini wallets. I make handmade paper wallets. So I have quite a variety of things and embellishments that I make as well. So thanks for checking in with me today, and I hope you'll continue to watch my videos. I'm going to be making one every day all through 2020. So stay tuned for more great tips coming to you from sunny Florida. Have a great day. Bye-bye.